Sanibonani ke ma ubungebelo Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzana nini endlebe. Okay, namhlanje ke sizonika umngani wethu advice. Umngani wethu sizomnika advice manje unganakike. Ngiphethe itiye ngeglass la beer. So umngani wethu ucela iadvice uthi ngicela ning advice ma umngani wethu ke uthana nendoda yakhe for 2 years. 2 years weminyaka. Okay, so uthana nendoda yakhe for 2 years. They've been dating nje, everything has been going well, and the guy is very kind and sweet and good, like uyo yonke nje into ongayicabanga entodini okay. Uthi bongiweke la ngikudinga khona ke ngoba phela ekuqaleni angizange ngik-involve kodwa manje sengiyakudinga ke ngidinga wena nabangani bethu ukuthi basitshele ukuthi senjani. So uGuy ke sithandele la no 2 years sisebenza ndawonye noGuy, sisebenza ndawonye emsebenzini owodwa. Uthi uGuy ke kusho ukuthi kube nale ntombazane le engiyibonayo kwi-phone yakhe, ngiyabona le ntombazane le kuma statuses ayo iposta umndoda yami. Hayi ngibona ukuthi I know le ntombazane wayiposta indoda yami. Uthi lama status ngilongu wabona nje abese ngiyambuza uGuy ukuthi and then wena why uyajola yini emsebenzini manje na kwenzekalani? Sisebenza sonke phela. Ugirl naye usebenza khona la emsebenzini kanye nami. Uthi abesithi boyfriend hayi lutha ngijoli naye sama colleagues indaba wena ukhona into esolisayo because phela kulezi ithombe lezi ayikho nje into esolisayo ikhombisa ukuthi enene siyajola noGirl. Uthathule kuGirl uGuy aphike kanjalo uthi kuqhubeke kuhambe isikhathi masihamba isikhathi. Uthi manje ngithi uGirl nje babesebenza ndawonye nje nontombazane nalo Guy. Uthi so they are in a group, group yasemsebenzini, so uyakwazi ukuthi and then abone ama stories kaGirl lo munye. Uthi uyakwazi ukuthi ujwayele ukuthi njalo nje apost indoda yakhe kuma stories ayipost indoda yakhe. Uthi ngizibone nje ukuthi yazi ukuthi shuthi yangidelela le ntombazane because ngisebenza nayo. Iyangidelela ngempela because why is she posting my man on her stories and bapostana behagene and everything. Uthi ngiphinde ngimbuza uGuy ukuthi and then why are you hugging this other female at work and you guys look cozy because basebenza kwenye department mina ngikwenye department, you guys look cozy and stuff. Uthi uGuy aphinda phike futhi. Okay, uthe suka lapho uGeliza ngoba uyabona ukuthi shuthi ngibuka ama stories akho useze uyisavile na inamba yami. Uthe suka lapho uGeliza wabe enza yena nendoda yami i-profile picture. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi mina ngiyafa because uGuy ngiyamuthanda kuvile ukuthi angihayize ngisikhihla isililo sikanandi ngikhaliswa ukuthi uGirl uposte muna wakhe. Uthi okay ngimbuza uGuy and then hlobo lula rubbish lo lengilibonayo doti mundo why ungenza slim ungibukanisa nabantu and why wes ujola nalo muntu emsebenzini sisebenza ndawonye why ngcola kuni lokungenza khona. uGuy athi ya siyajola noGirl, it was a mistake and what not njani ngaxolisa ngicela ungithembe ngizomala. Uthi cha akakamali nanamanje. Uthi uGirl uthi umngani wethu akasawabuki ama stories entombazane. Uthi because uGirl uyabona ukuthi akabuka ama stories ubusy ushintsha ama profile picture ufaka indoda yakhe day in and out and uyasho nje ukuthi love of her life. Uthi so uyazi nje emsebenzini ukuthi enene bayazi emsebenzini ukuthi bayathandana, so bayazi ukuthi umfana umenza islima clearly. Uthi iyamhetha lento to a point whereby she's considering ukuthi afonele uSisi amtshela ukuthi ngicela ungangideleli and please hlukana nendoda yami. Ufuna ukufonela enye intombazane? Ya uthi umngani wethu ufuna ukufonela enye intombazane. Mina ngiyambuza ke. Ufuna ukufonela omunye umuntu wesifazane ngento yenziwa indoda yakho. So umngani wethu uthi ucela sim advise ukuthi enze njani because this is hard for her and intombazane basebenza ndawonye emsebenzini. So adile kanjani nalesi simo lesi? Ngiyacela ke guys ningabi tough kumngani wethu because she's hurting, she's going through a lot. Okay, she's going through a lot. Ngicela ma ucomment la ucommente ngothando umnike advice ukuthi akenze njani. Okay, please ngiyanthanda ke. And please subscribe on my YouTube channel, Bongiwe Indlovukazi. If you haven't subscribed, please go subscribe right now.